Hey guys, and welcome to a CSS tutorial part 1. We're going to be learning about what is CSS and creating a new web browser and file. What is CSS? CSS shows the HTML elements are displayed on the web browser, for example adding colors, padding, and etc. CSS is a style sheet language. CSS has an advantage of better consistency in designing, and CSS is a basic programming language and tutorials for people that hasn't written a single line of CSS. So these are going to be extra information about CSS. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. So that'll be something good you could know. CSS is also a simple language, so we're just going to be adding the signs and colors and etc. And CSS is written in a different file. What you need to program CSS, all you need is Sublime Text, and that's it. So let's create a new file for CSS. Here we are on the desktop, and let's first create a CSS folder. So if we just right click, then new, then folder, and right here we have a new folder, then we just rename it here. Then here we could just write CSS course right here, so that's the same with the HTML course. So we got the folder right here, and then let's open up Sublime Text. So I got Sublime Text ready here, but if you want to know how to download it, just go on my first video and you'll see how you could download it. So here I got Sublime Text open up right here. So if we just Control S, then if we go on desktop, and if we go on the CSS course, then here we could just try index dot HTML. So we're not creating a CSS folder yet because we need a HTML folder first so we could design the website. So here just click on HTML here, so this exact same one here. So if we just press that, then press save, then we got it right here. So all you have to do, just write HTML, then it will just auto complete all of this stuff. So now let's do a CSS folder. So if we do file, so if we just do new file, then save. If we do I don't know, design.css. So this is the only folder here, so just click on CSS here. Then if we press save, then here are the CSS stuff right here. So we got the CSS and the index HTML files right here. So so that's it really. So this the tutorial where we only just create the folder and the files right here, and how to put the files in here. So yeah, so that's it right there. So let's go into the HTML questions. So here are going to be the CSS questions. So for number 1, name one advantage about CSS. Number 2, what does CSS stand for, and number 3, what does CSS mean. So this will be, as always, easy, medium, and hard. So I'll give you a few seconds. So hopefully you've answered all those questions. If you haven't, just pause the video. So let's go on to the answers. So for number 1, it will have better consistency in designing. Number 2, so for number 1 it can be any advantage. And for number 2, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. And number 3, CSS shows how the HTML elements are displayed on the web browser, for example adding colors, padding, and etc. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these. Thank you.